Video lesson drawing, painting summer landscape. Levitan, classic artist. You need to buy sandpaper, medium hardness in building store, of pastel paper, what you prefer better, dry pastel of crayons. For beginning we denote sky, a circuit of paysage and background in common features. That's because in original painting there is a domination of blue color. Filling sky ground with white and blue crayons, purple crayon, and put some dark blue color in the bottom to mix then these colors and get the picturesque sky. With deep green and yellow we denote the edge of the coast. I denote a circuit of paysage of white and blue and dark blue crayons. Put in water yellow and blue crayons. We will get colorful combination on different tones. Add white crayon and rub it with fingers. I draw the mill, dark crayon with dark crayon, and building, and I add and fill the bottom with green and blue crayons, the coast. Add white tone, white crayon on the mill. Draw details, mill and house. Add some birds on the sky and put in yellow crayon. Paysage already looks picturesque, but without details it looks abstract. Add details with light touching. I draw remote hills. Add some green. Draw sky with rubbing fingers by it. Add details with light touching. Smooth out some plates to get smooth look. Then I draw detailed sky, put on it some spots on different tones. You can experiment with other tones. It's better to wipe your hands with napkin for not to put dark tones in clear sky. Here you can see what we have as a result. That's all, pictures is done. Thanks a lot for your attention. subscribe to channel. Remember that everybody can draft such a paysage. Watch next lessons if you want to buy paysage, so write me.
Hi, on this channel you will know how to draw the dry pastel on the sandpaper and pastel paper, and how to draw the simple crayon on the street. I love dry pastel because I mix colors on the sandpaper with my fingers and get great smooth flows of tones. Especially I love to draw sky, water, rainbow and distant part of paysage.